Now here's a page that we've created using jQuery mobile. Now, one of the problems that we have is by default, our context is going to be very flat and very plain. So it's therefore going to be a little bit more challenging to cause it to stand out and differentiate. We're going to get a default background color that doesn't really help anything stand out. And so one of the challenges that we have as a designer is to make this information truly stand out. Now, jQuery Mobile has given us a couple classes that we can add automatically to our header tags and our body tags to help group, organize, and sort information. So for example, if we switch to our text editor, I have here an H1 tag, just a simple header. So I'm going to add a class. Now inside my class attribute, I'm actually going to add two separate classes. One is going to be UI-bar. The second is UI-bar-A. The first class specifies that we're creating a bar to isolate and separate out our header. UI-bar-A lets us know what data theme we're using. Now you notice that we have a data theme associated with our page. So this should be a default, and you can see it listed as such. However, if we switch back to our text editor and set UI-bar-B, you'll notice that we automatically switch to our second data theme. So this is a quick, easy way to override this. Not only can we set the bar, we can also set the body if we have a div. So here we have a paragraph, but I could wrap this inside of a div. Inside my div, which could contain content of all different types, I can give it a class and specify UI-body and UI-body-A, for example. Now when I bring this in, you can see it creates a small border around my text, and you can see that it helps organize and sort my information. Now I could have multiple paragraphs easily, and it works just the same way. Once again, it helps group my information together. So if I want to group a couple of pieces of information, this div with a UI-body is a good way to do it. I can apply other things. If I want to round and border, I'd add a class, UI-corner-all, and that would help give me rounded corners. Or I can move this div to include my H1 tag. By changing it so now my H1 tag is included inside of my div class, I'm going to make that also a UI-bar-A. When I load it, you can now see that all this information is grouped together. And this is just a way that I can increase relevance and coordination inside of a jQuery mobile website. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and share it with others. If you want to keep up with other videos that are coming out, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. That way, you can get the most up-to-date information.